लड़कियों को दूसरी लड़कियों को नीचा दिखा के इतना मजा क्यों आता है?
If I remember right, परसों के दिन भी यही पहना था ना तुमने?
Here are 6 instances in which women tear each other down. First is when someone doesn't conform to their idea of feminism. करवा चौथ रख रही है इस जमाने में. Number 2 is makeup, clothing और fashion. पता है वो कितना मेकअप थोपती है? उसे इतना तैयार होके आने की क्या जरूरत थी? What an attention seeker, dude. Or things like, look at what she's wearing. What a total बहनची. Point number 3 is how they talk. Whether they are fluent in English or not.
ऐसे सही ड्राइंग है ना? Drawings.
So yes, shaming each other for not speaking in English fluently, not being educated enough, modern enough, or for belonging from a village. Number 4 is judgments on your relationship. Dating, marriage, casual relationships, or judging someone for not being interested in dating. You know, shaming someone for not being a virgin, or shaming them for being one. Fifth instance is, look at me, I'm such a nice girl. You know, I'm such a nice girl, but when I shame you and make you look bad, voila, I look even nicer. Yay! You know, this is about wanting to feel like a good girl by comparing yourselves to others. Instance number 6 is pain shaming. इतना नाटक क्या कर रही है यार periods का? You're such a drama queen. Lying, bitching, manipulation, rumors. Why do girls do it? मजा आता है यार.
Sharing negative attitudes about a third party can be a powerful bonding force between two friends.
Yes, shared hatred helps you make friends. Number 2 is problem of likability. You know, many women are obsessed with being likable, even if it means suppressing their own self or someone else. क्योंकि पूरी society तो बैठी है लड़कियों की हर choices पे उनको shame करने के लिए. So इसलिए women also shame other women to gain the support of society.
A woman has been made to become a woman's worst enemy. It's like a hunting dog of patriarchy. It's उसको पकड़ के ला.
Number 3, only one spot on the top. It is not hidden that women lack representation and freedom, whether in jobs, parliament, family businesses, or relationships.
I don't know what hurts worse. You and Lucas sneaking around behind my back or you lying about it to my face.
Number 4, women who spend time with other women are often judged for that. You know, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि लड़कियों के फ्रेंडशिप को बस एक गॉसिप सेशन तक रिड्यूस कर देते हैं या फिर पूछते हैं कि तुम दोनों लेस्बियन हो क्या. ऑल्सो लड़कियों पे बहुत ज्यादा घर से प्रेशर होता है टू बी अराउंड द हाउस. You better be always available, or that why do you need so much privacy?
Amy and Bernadette, why did you lie to us?
Now that we know what the problems are, here are 10 tips for you that will help you be a better friend to the women in your life. Number 1, अपने आप को अपने challenges को accept करो and then show the same acceptance to them. तुम्हारे लिए इस society में रहने का एक ideal तरीका है, but उससे क्यों ये same चीजें expect कर रहे हो? You know, you two have different personalities and neither of you should be judging each other for that. And अगर तुम्हें अपनी friend के बारे में कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है, then go ahead and learn that from her instead of being all jealous and petty.
Who allowed you to be this beautiful?
Who allowed you to be this beautiful?
Who allowed you to take my breath away?
Number 2, stop taking your female friends for granted.
Okay, yes, I'm less available to you now than I was before, but that was always going to change when one of us met someone.
You know, the effort that you put in maintaining a relationship with a boyfriend, extend the same effort to her. Number 3, do not break each other's trust. You know, just because तुम्हारी लड़ाई हो गई और you're going through a rough patch, it does not mean that you will go around telling all her secrets. What she has told you in confidence must remain between the two of you. Also, don't reveal her secrets just because you have nothing else to talk about. Number 4, understand where she's coming from and try to understand each other's pain.
I guess I went a little crazy, huh?
No, you've always been crazy. This is just the first chance you've ever had to really express yourself.
उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स को भी उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंस दो जितनी तुम खुद की प्रॉब्लम्स को देती हो. Number 5, give each other space. You know, many females desire a strong emotional attachment. Being friends does not mean कि तुम 24 घंटे एक दूसरे से बात करोगे. You know, you have to remember that besides being friends, you are individuals who have their own lives. Number 6, agree to disagree. Number 7 is be open-minded towards each other.
खुशबूस करके क्यों वजाइना बोला? I mean, just say it.
Vagina!
If your friend comes out to you, then don't dismiss her identity. Or if a friend tells you that she may be suffering from depression, then don't tell her that she's not. Number 8, don't try to change the way she is. You know, most of us have our own beauty standards that we follow. And kabhi-kabhi we expect our friends also to follow that. But that's wrong. If you want your friend to dress a certain way, look a certain way, talk a certain way, then that's not friendship. Don't try to change her if she doesn't ask for it. And also don't keep these criteria while making new friends. Number 9, tell her right from wrong. You know, a real friend कौन होता है? Someone who is not afraid to tell us when we are being wrong or unreasonable. But कुछ भी judgment की नजरों से मत करो. Number 10, celebrate together and cry together. You know, it is important for friends to be with each other in their lows and highs. because many a times तुम्हारी खुद की family तुम्हारी achievements या problems नहीं समझती हैं. You know, I've had some terrible experiences with the girls I met in my school and college, and all this made me a little skeptical about female friendships. But of course, I had some growing up to do, things to learn, and so did everyone else. And today, I have some amazing friendships with women. You know, in the end, I would just say live and let live. Also, have you ever thought कि इतनी सारी bitching से कितनी negativity फैल रही है तुम्हारे दिमाग में? तुम्हें अपना इतना time क्यों waste करना है? कुछ ढंग का काम कर लो. Do something amazing with that time and stop hating on each other.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.